Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Rohanna, and for today, Rosy won't be here, but that's fine. For today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on the basics of KineMaster. But before we start, if you're new here, welcome. We make educational content that mostly includes tutorials, how-tos, tips for YouTube creators. Okay, now we open up KineMaster. To start and create your video, you gotta click the middle big round button. Here they ask us to select an aspect ratio for the project. I would normally choose a 16:9 ratio for YouTube, but you can use whatever you want. Once we click that button, they will immediately bring us to the media browser. And over here you can search up whether you want images or your videos or whatever you want to use to make your videos. I don't have some, so I'll just use some random ones here. Over here, I'm just choosing some random mountain pictures because I don't have any other videos technically. Once you're done choosing, click the tick mark. Over here, we have our video clips. To play our video, we have to click on the triangle button right over here, and it plays. Now we're going to start with the basic tools in the layer button, the text, the stickers, and the effects. To find these tools, we have to go to the layer button and click on that. And over here, they will display a few of the options. The ones we'll be doing right now will be text, handwriting, and overlay. The first one we'll be starting with is text. There are two options for text and handwriting. Let's first start with handwriting. Okay, let me show you what happens when you choose handwriting. When you choose the handwriting option, you have to write on the screen. Whenever I use the handwriting option, my handwriting looks really bad, so I normally just stick with the text. Okay, now we'll move on to the text option. Click on that option and type in your text. Once you've done typing in your text, you can just click the OK button. As you can see over here, the text has gone in one long straight line. Now over here, I've just gone back to fix that problem. And now it's looking much more better. Over here, they just brought us to a new page for the text, and you can just change the color over here. And here's standard palette if you want to choose some other color. Then you can also change the font to your choice. I'm just going to choose one random one here. You can also get some other ones from the asset store over here. And over here we have some animations that you can choose to make the text look more interesting. Over here I'm just changing the amount of time the text will be staying. And that is all for the text options. Now let's go back to layers and choose another option, the sticker options. Once you've clicked that, they will bring us over here. There are good options here, but normally if I wanted to get different ones, I'd go to the asset store and then choose my pick. Just choose your choice of sticker, and once you have, there will be a bar that pops up, and once you click that bar, you can start to resize your sticker or rotate your sticker. For now, I'll just try to find a random place for it to stay in. Once you're done with that, I'm just going to extend it right over here to make sure it doesn't stay for too long or too less. Then you can just change up the color or give it some effects just like a text. And now you can just add in some more text or stickers or some more videos to complete your video basically. And once you think you're done, you can just watch your video and change up some other things if you want. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, please like this video, subscribe, and share it to other people. Bye guys!